Hi, I'm Finn Dysharp, Sharp's Media Marketing Manager and Son, and in today's video, we'll be reviewing the Trip Machine & Co. grips. So let's get into it. As we open the box here, we've just got some simple care instructions with a thank you note from Trip Machine themselves. Followed by that, we've got a nice sticker of Trip Machine. You can put that wherever we want. By that, we've just got some glue so we can attach the grips to our bike, so that's all good. Followed by that, we've just got some business cards, so that is all good. Next, some red grips, which is the same colour as Sharp's jacket. Thank you for watching this short video. If you'd like to check out the grips themselves, check the link in the description. I've got to go, so have a great day.